Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, July 7, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we're looking at this market today. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by about 6 points right now to 24.14.5 per contract. Looks like we just had the non-farm payroll report released. 222,000 new jobs were the headline number. And again, that's a little bit better than expected. Lately, the job reports have been very, very weak. A lot of the past job reports, though, were revised. So again, we'll see if it makes a difference. We'll see how this market plays out. Yesterday was a very, very weak day for the market. Today, we're rebounding a little bit. We'll see how it holds up into the weekend. But let's go ahead and take a look at stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus and try to make our money. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Apple. Apple on the radar today. Stock is getting a little bit of a bid. Closed at 142.73. Now trading at 143.40. It looks like Qualcomm came out with a lawsuit saying that Apple has infringed upon 6 different patents. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see where it goes. But right now, Apple catching a bid ahead of the opening bell today. Levels I'm watching for Apple that look pretty interesting today are going to be a little bit higher. So we're going to have to watch for the pattern. But again, right around this 143.50 and then ultimately around the 144.25 level, there is a lot of resistance. So let's watch this market. We'll see how it plays out. In the meantime, Qualcomm, which is put the lawsuit in place, trading right now at $55.48. No volume behind that. So we're going to watch these stocks today pretty closely. Qualcomm looks like it has a lot of support a little bit lower. So if it does come back down to earth, we'll see where it is. In any regard, we'll be looking at these stocks, both of them, today in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Campbell Soup. CPB is the ticker symbol here. Looks like they are acquiring Pacific Foods out of Oregon for, I think, $700 million. Either way, stock is trading up nicely, 52.50. No volume behind it, so don't buy into that move just yet. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings, and we will be taking a look at this one in the intraday stock chat room today. Cherokee, CHKE, looks like the stock is getting hit. Closed at $7.75, now trading at $5.80. Again, there's some news out here that they lost a credit line agreement with a private equity firm or hedge fund. So again, not a good situation there. Be careful with this stock. There's nothing I would do here at this point in time. But maybe we'll take a look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Dish Networks. Looks like they have signed or are supposed to sign a deal with Amazon, creating some kind of partnership speculation in the works. Right now, the stock is trading around $65. Closed at $63.40, so nice little uptick there. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, wait on pattern. We'll see if this is just a rumor or if there really is something more to this. Either way, not much I would do at the moment. Next up, we want to take a look at Mondelez. MDLZ is the ticker symbol here. Let's get rid of that. And Mondelez right now trading at $42.75. It looks like they came out with a report or a warning saying that earnings are going to be impacted by a cyber attack. Right now the stock is trading at $42.75. Closed at $43.06, but well off the lows. So again, this is holding on, and I think there's a lot of support in this general area around the $42.50 level. So again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I don't know if there's a lot to do with it there. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla right now trading at $315. This is up from $308 yesterday. Looks like they signed a deal with the South Australian government on some batteries or something along those lines. You can check out the news for yourself. Either way, this stock has gotten beaten down the last few days, but it looks like it is catching a little bit of a pop this morning. So we'll see how that shakes out once the opening bell rings. We have some notable downgrades today. AAP, which is Advanced Auto Parts, being downgraded by Merrill Lynch. Also, AZO, which is AutoZone, also being downgraded by Merrill Lynch. Both of these stocks are severely oversold already, and both of them, I believe, are at resistance points. So I wouldn't make too much out of that downgrade by Merrill Lynch. A lot of times these institutions will bang them just to buy them. So again, 2 downgrades there, and we'll see how that plays out a little bit later today. We are looking at the futures up about $6 on the session. We have gold down $1. Crude oil getting hit today. So gold is down just a point, not a big deal there. But when you take a look at crude futures, we have crude down about 81 cents to $44.71 a barrel. But you'll see the USO right now sitting at 920, closed at 931, but it is off of its worst levels of the day. So again, we'll be watching oil today pretty closely. We'll see how this market plays itself out. There is a G20 meeting going on, and we'll see what comes out of that as well. So lots of geopolitical events can still move this market. We had another good trading day yesterday in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Get to watch our desktops live. And again, we've had a great 2017. So come on over, join us, and finish the year strong. We're now entering the second half of the year. More volatility, more activity. It's definitely going to be a fun time. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session. And again, we will see you on the charts.